Students, in this video, we are going to draw the Lewis structure of OF2, oxygen difluoride. Students, first of all, we have to calculate total number of electrons. Total number of electrons. Students, we know that oxygen is present in group 16, so it provides 6 electrons, and fluorine is present in group 7. So every fluorine atom provides 7 electrons. So total number of electrons provided by fluorine is equal to 14, and we have 20 electrons. We have to distribute these 20 electrons between oxygen and fluorine. Students, the second rule is that the less electronegative atom is present in the center. So, oxygen is present in the center and fluorine are present outside the molecule. So, students, first of all, we place a pair of electrons between fluorine and oxygen to represent a single covalent bond. Now we complete octet for the outer molecules. 2, 4, 6, 8, 2, 4, 6, 8. Students, now we count the total number of electrons. 2, 4, 6, 8, 2, 4, 6, 8. So 16 electrons are distributed between one oxygen and two fluorine atoms. So 4 electrons, so 2 of them present above the oxygen and 2 of them present below the oxygen. So students, in this way, fluorine complete its octet, fluorine complete its octet, oxygen also complete its octet. So a single covalent bond is present between both of the fluorine and oxygen. But we know that a lone pair of electron occupy more space than the bond pair. So due to the lone pair or lone pair bond pair repulsion, OF2 has bent angular geometry. Bent angular geometry. With bond angle 117 degree. Okay, dear students, this Lewis structure is the best Lewis structure for oxygen difluoride. Wish you all the best.